Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Aetna Medicare Flex Card, setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your Aetna Medicare Flex Card, start by locating the card in the envelope it arrived in. Ensure you have your personal identification details ready, including your Medicare number. Visit the Aetna Medicare website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the Member Login option on the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account using your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Flex Card Activation. Enter your Flex Card number as requested. Provide any additional information required to complete the activation process. After submitting the information, review the confirmation message that appears on the screen. If you've successfully activated your card, you should receive a confirmation email shortly. Keep your Flex Card in a safe place for future use. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, contact Aetna's customer support for assistance. Take note of the customer service hours to ensure timely help. Once activated, you can start using your Aetna Medicare Flex Card for eligible expenses. Make sure to keep track of your spending and available balance through your Aetna account. Using your card responsibly can enhance your healthcare experience and savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.